Alright, we're gonna be playing the Microwave Paradox. As always, I don't bother to read what the fuck this game is gonna be about. I just go in blind. A very big microwave producing company provided you the super microwave for testing purposes. Now you are going to test your new microwave with different types of food. Nice. Fuck, I can't change it.
Hello. Thanks for agreement to participate in our super microwave testing. We hope you will get the best experience with your super microwave. In order to get better experience, we recommend you to watch the video tutorial, which will teach you how to use the microwave provided by our company.
Gee, thanks, bro. Okay, wait. I'll put this down then? I can't put it down. Oh well. Oh, I can. Where does it go? Here? I thought it goes there. Can I crouch? Where do you want me to put it? Has to be there. Where else would I put it? Pointing at the TV. What? Any place that I could put it? It has to be there. What the fuck? That's the bathroom. Bitch! What the fuck? Man, what is this bullshit? I can't even... Do I have to... Here, wait. We're only like 50 seconds in and I'm already lost. Nice. The fuck, man? How do you want me to fucking... I hate this. Where did the other VHS tape go? Oh, I'll get the other one. I honestly don't understand. Bruh! Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your new super microwave.
Just how to right click.
First of all,
I
open
left
your
click.
super microwave's door and put your food into the super microwave. Then close the door and wait a little. Next, when the super microwave does its job, you can inject the food and enjoy. Please, pay attention. You should use microwave only to work with food. It is highly restricted to put any other objects into the microwave.
What was that eye? Let's put in another one. Of course I would never put in another thing other than food in there. I'll just put a dead body in there or something like that.
The super microwave can become your best friend.
Okay.
It can help you to make your food better. It can even watch a movie with you.
What?
You have absolutely no reason to not to trust your microwave. Attention, microwaves cannot talk. If your microwave started to talk with you, then follow next steps. First, make sure there is nobody hidden inside the microwave, because microwaves don't talk itself. Second, try to isolate yourself from the super microwave. It is better to lock all your house doors and put the super microwave outside. Don't worry, your life is safe now. And finally, try not to
feel so good.
interact with microwaves. Some aspects of the effect of microwaves on humans are not yet fully understood.
Okay. Yeah. You know, I see nothing going wrong with us putting shit into the microwave. How do I start it? Did I already oh, already heated up. Okay, that's bullshit. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and explore. Oh, I'll just get the donut. Sure, let's just cook up some donuts, I guess. Can I even eat the damn thing? No. Okay, I'm gonna just pile them into the group, the ones that I've cooked and the ones I haven't, I guess. What the fuck? Jesus. You know, the ambience is really good in this game. It's kind of making me tense. Do I have anything in my fridge? Anything else I can cook? Anything else I can open, at least? Nope, can't open that anymore. Well, okay, let's try this, I guess. Where'd I go? Okay, I guess. Here, get in there. Oh, what? What the fuck? Why did... Did my vision just get blurrier? I can't even tell. Cook that. How the fuck did you even get stuck there? What the hell? Doesn't make any sense. What the fuck? There we go. Jesus, that was a fucking struggle. Let me get this. And then microwave this last thing. Okay, don't get stuck. Please, I don't want to soft lock myself or something. Yeah, and then you can't put it back in, so. It's the last thing we can cook. Oh, okay. Obviously that was gonna happen.
You have broken the microwave, which our company provided to you in testing purposes. You are a pathetic and worthless person who don't deserve to own our super microwave.
Okay.
Our sales manager will now come to your house and take your life as a fine.
Oh. You know, you're not the last person who said that to me. Parents have also said that to me. Oh. Is there anything I can use to... Jesus. What the fuck? Oh my god, that actually scared me. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, okay. My god, I didn't expect it to scare me.